things were very good. We were quite blessed. And we're like, well, what should we tell them? I was like, I don't know. We could tell them the truth. Here's this week's episode in 60 seconds. We sat them down and we just had a really straightforward conversation. Showed them, talked through the values of our different, properties and whatnot. And we had a very frank conversation. And they sat there quietly listening, asking questions that were quite intelligent. And then we began to talk about, listen, this is where we're at. We can afford a $3 soda. Do you understand why I was mad at you? And they're all kind of like, no. And I said, the reason I'm mad at you is because I felt like you didn't understand the value of $1. I felt like you didn't understand, sacrifice and investing. And I realized that, of course, you didn't understand that because I never took the time to explain to you the value of $1. To watch this full episode, click the link.